Fridge is looking empty, so you know what that means. It's grocery time. Fun fact, it doesn't say it on the front, but this is actually dairy-free. Mommy juice white, mommy juice red. Every time I need a lemon or a lime, for some reason I never have any on hand, so I like to just keep this as emergency backup. Now for the beverages. Save the sea life. This drink holder dispenser thingy is linked in my bio. Cream soda and ginger beer. I'm kind of a grandma. But I don't know, this ginger beer is kind of spicy. Definitely more razzle-dazzle than regular ginger ale. These are super good and also dairy-free. They're made with soy milk, which isn't my favorite type of milk, but I'll take it. And of course, we gotta have some sweet tea. 1, 2, 3. Always keep juice boxes on deck for Zaya's school lunch. I've already got some apple in the fridge, so let's stock the fruit punch flavor. And voila. Extra juice boxes go in the pantry, in the back stock area, and I'm actually gonna pull out these mandarin cups from before and restock them. I only stocked about half the box the first time, and this little container is ready to be refilled. Y'all didn't like the way that I stacked them up in here, but that's too damn bad. Last time I realized that 5 of these, I think, was the perfect number to fit in this container, but they only had 3 left at the store. How unsatisfying. I really liked the regular queso from this brand that I tried for the first time last time, so this time I'm trying the chorizo version. One of my favorite vegan cheeses. Still got spinach and salad from last week, adding more apple slices and cucumbers. Should I do a part 2?